Okay, children, so we'll discuss cubes. Some more questions today. So, first question, children. So, coming to the first question. Vedant, are you there?
Yes, sir.
You try to answer the first question. First question has two bits. A bit is length is 10 centimeter, breadth is 8 centimeter, height is 3 centimeters. What is the volume of this cuboid?
Volume is equal to LBH
So, can you in figure? This is 10, this
into
is
8,
8,
8
this
and
is
that is
3.
3.
So, volume of the cuboid?
LBH is equal to 10 into 8 into 3 is equal to 240 centimeter cube.
40 centimeter cube. B with also your little, B with also your little. So this is a measurement. See here, all of you. Please, all of you see, children. So length is this is 1.5 meter. This is 25 centimeter. This is 15 centimeter. What is the volume of this cuboid?
Volume is equal to 150 centimeter. LBH is equal to
150 centimeters. 1.5 meters means into 100. 150 centimeters.
150
Yeah, tell.
centimeters. 150 centimeters into 25 into 14.
15. 15, 15 day 225. 2250 into 25. Yeah, 25 is the 125. 25 to the 50, 62, 50, 56. 56250 centimeter cube. Next. Yashasvi, okay. Next. Next. Who is the next chance? Pravalika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
This is a cube. This is a cube. Outside 7 centimeter. All sides 7 centimeter. Can you tell me how to find the volume of this cube? Volume of cube formula.
L into B into X.
So
L
tell
cube.
me. So how much is the answer? 343 centimeter cube. 343 centimeter cube. Good. Yes or no? Next, Nandika, are you there? Nandik?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me this one. How to do? A cuboidal wooden block is there.
Sir, your
So,
video is not visible.
video is not visible. Why? Yeah, children. A cuboidal vessel is there. Please see, children. A cuboidal vessel is there. Hmm. Its volume is 189 centimeter cube. Length is 7 centimeter. And height is 4.5 centimeter. Find its breadth. Yes, Nandik's volume is equal to?
Volume is equal to LBH.
Okay, 189 is equal to?
189 is equal to 7 into
Uh, keep saying.
7 into 27 by 4.5.
6 centimeters is the length. 6 centimeters is the length. Okay, next. Next. Harsha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tell me fourth one. Find the height of cuboid whose volume is 275 centimeter cube and base area. Base area is 25 centimeters square. Base area means length into breadth. Length into breadth. So what is the volume of cuboid formula? LBH. Yeah, keep saying ma. This is 275.
Sir, video is not visible, sir. I'm not understanding.
Nobody, children, is video visible or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir, it's visible.
Okay, Nana, I think some problem you have. Okay, Rishikesh, can you tell volume is equal to?
Volume is equals to LBH.
Uh,
275 is equals to 25 into H.
H. Because
Then
LB is the base area.
yes, sir. So 275 by 25 is equals to H.
Mm.
So 55. Sorry, sir. 11 centimeters, correct, sir.
11 centimeter. Ashrit. Ashrit.
Yes, sir.
A cuboidal vessel is there, 10 centimeter long. Check. Ashrit Babu, 10 centimeter long. This is 8 centimeters wide. What should be the height to hold 480 cc? Volume is 480 cc.
Volume equals to L into B into H. Volume equals to 10 into 8 into H. H equals to 480 by 10 into 8.
So height is equal to 6 centimeters. Height is equal to 6 centimeters. Next. Raghuram, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me next sum. Raghuram, how many 5 centimeter cubes? There are so many 5 centimeter cubes are there. Please check your all of you please. How many 5 centimeter cubes you can keep in a big? How many cubes can be obtained? You have big cube. Raghuram, you have a big cube of 20, 20, 20. If you cut this, how many 5, 5, 5 you will get?
Sir, 5 cube into n is
Volume
equal
of big cube is equal to n into.
n into volume of small cube, sir.
So
Volume
big
of
L cube is equal to n into.
n into L cube, sir.
Okay.
20 cube is equals to n into 5 cube.
Hmm.
20 into 20 into 20 divided by 5 into 5 into 5. 5 fours are 4 n is equals to 64, sir.
64 cubes can be
Kept in the
made. 64 cubes can be made. Next one. A matchbox contains. A matchbox is there. See here, children. There's a matchbox. See here, children. There's a matchbox. 4 centimeters, 2.5 centimeters, 1.5 centimeter. What will be the volume of packet containing 12 such matchboxes? So, volume of 12 packets is how much is asking. Volume of volume of 12 such boxes. Volume of 12.
Yes, sir.
LBH into 12. Keep saying, ma. Say, ma. 4 into 2.5, 10.
Oh, sorry, sir. I was in.
180 centimeter cube. Volume of 12 boxes is 180 centimeter cube. Okay. Next question is in that only, Anum.
Yes.
How many such packets can be kept? This is one.
Okay, sir.
There is a big packet whose measurements are like this. Whose measurements are 60, 20, 30, 40, 24. 60, 30, 24. Like this, how many can be kept in this? So volume of
big
Volume.
volume divided by volume
of big cube is equal to n into
V volume of
so n into n we are not saying 60 into
Sir, I'll give how, sir. There are different measurements 60 into 30 into 20. And yes, sir.
So 60 into 30 into 24 equals to n into 4 into 2.5 into 1.5.
Bring all these things down.
60 into 30 into 24 by 4 into 2.5 into 1.5.
1.5. Okay.
1.5.
So 4 15s are 1.5 10s are and so 25 2.5
6 and 0.5.
16s are
Okay.
15s are I think. I know. Okay.
Sir, no, sir.
Let me do again. So 60 into children 30 into please see here children 24 by 4 into 2.5 into 1.5.
1.5.
4 into 2.5 is 10. 10 is 0 cancel. 1.5 2s are 3. Okay. 6 2s are 12. 12 2 is 24. 12 2 is 24. 2640 boxes can be kept. Like this boxes 2640 can be kept in this. Next, Meghna, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you please tell me how to do this sum? What will happen the volume of cube if the edge is doubled? Each edge is L, amma. See here. Each edge is L. If each edge is doubled, what will be the volume? Each edge is doubled. Each edge is doubled. What will be the change in volume? First volume is L cube.
L cube.
Second volume is 2L whole cube.
2L whole cube.
So V2 is equal to 2L whole cube. What we can write? 8L cube. But L cube is what? V1. So V2 is 8 times the original. Volume becomes 8 times original. Volume becomes
8 times the original.
Times the
Volume becomes original. So V2 by V1 is equal to 8 by 1. If anyone asks percentage change, change is how much, children?
700%.
Change
Change
by
by original into
10
100.
by
original
1.
into 100. So
700.
700% increase in volume. 700% increase in volume. Next, Hansika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you please tell me next time how to? Sujit didn't get chance today. Next, three cubes are there. 3, 4, 5. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. They all are melted. They all are melted and made into a big cube. What will be its edge? Yes, Hansika. Volume of this is melted. Volume of this is melted. Volume of this is melted and made into big. So 3 cube. Say 4 cube.
3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube is equals to
L cube.
L.
L. This is
L
27.
cube is equals to 27 plus 64 plus 12.
How much?
216.
120.
L cube is equals to
216 total. 216.
216. L cube. 216 is cube of 6. 6 centimeters is edge of big cube formed. Big cube formed. This is melted, this is melted, this is melted and made into a big cube whose volume is 6 centimeters. These both three are melted and made into a big cube whose edge is 6 centimeters. Next, Suju. Sujit.
Sir,
A rectangular block measures 40, 25, 15. A rectangular block measures 45, 20, 15. 40, 25, 15. Okay, and calculate its weight if ice weighs 9/10 of the weight of the same volume of water and 1 cc of water weighs 1 gram. Calculates its weight if. So tell Nana first its volume. Tell me how to find volume of this LBH. Tell 40 into
40 into 25 into 15.
1000 into 15.
say Nana. Suju 50,000 cc. 15,000 cc. And in the question they have given that if ice weight is, see here, ice weight is, see he is saying ice weight is 9/10 of weight of same volume of water and 1 cc weighs 1 gram. Children, 1 cc of water weighs 1 gram. Try to understand. 1 cc of water, try to understand. 1 cc of water weighs 1 gram. So 15,000 cc of water, how much? How much, children?
15 kg.
15,000 grams. 15,000 grams, that is 15 kg. This is weight of water. Now coming to ice. Ice is 9/10 of water. So mass of ice is 9/10 of water. Ice is 9/10 of water. 9 into 15,
Sir,
225.
13.5 is the answer.
135 by 10, that is 13.5 kg is mass of ice. Don't misunderstand, children. See here, 1 cc of water weighs 1 gram. 15,000 cc of water weighs 15,000 grams. And ice is 9/10 of water. Ice is 9/10 of water. 9/10 of 15 grams is 13.5 grams. So mass of ice is 13.5 kg. Okay, children, next. Anyone did get chance, children? Everyone got?
Ashrit told.
Ashrit told, I think. Ashrit, did you tell?
Sir, I told, sir.
Rishikesh. Rishikesh.
Yes, sir.
8 identical cubes are stacked on one upon other. 8 cubes are kept one upon other like this. 8 cubes are kept one upon other like that. Okay. The total volume of the solid form is, the total volume of 8 cubes is 128 centimeter cube. Volume of 8 cubes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
And
sir.
the height of each block is 1 centimeter. The height of each block is 1 centimeter, and base is a square. The base is a square. Remember, the base is a square. The base is a square. Find the dimensions of each block. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
Rishikesh. So see here, base is a square. For all of them, base is a square. For all of them, base is a square. For all of them, base is a square. Try to understand. For all of them, base is a square. Like this, one above each other they kept. Try to understand. One above each other they kept.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Volume of full 8 one is 128. Okay. So
Okay.
each one is a volume of 8 such cubes is equal to 128 centimeter cube. Okay. Volume means what? Length into breadth
Breadth
into
into
height is
height.
128. Okay. And length into breadth into height is 1 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
So length into breadth is
Breadth is equal.
128 centimeters square. But length and breadth will be same for a square. Base is square, but length and breadth are same. Length and breadth are,
Same.
when length and breadth are same, so I can say 1 into 1. 1 into 1. And 8 are there, children. 8 are there. I forgot to say 8 are there, such. 8 are there, such. So this is L into B, I can write as L square
L
because
square.
128.
And
So L
128.
square is
So
equal to
L square is equals
128
to
by
128 by
8.
8.
L square
L
is equal
square
to
is
8
equals
ones are
to
8, 8 6 are.
16. L square is equals to 4
So
square.
4
L is equals to 4.
centimeters. So breadth also 4 centimeters. Height he only gave 1 centimeter. Is measurement of each solid. Each solid is measuring so much. These are the level sums which I wanted to say today, children, and some more we'll discuss tomorrow. By tomorrow, I'll be completing the topic, children. Okay. 1 second, children. So next. So children, remaining sums we'll do tomorrow, children. Thank you so much. Okay. And
Sir, galaxy.
galaxies. Yeah, children. Now coming to science. So what was the topic we should discuss yesterday? What we discussed?
Galaxy and star cycles.
Galaxies and
We
stars.
were going to discuss star cycles, but we didn't.
Okay, children. I should
Sir, recording
discuss.
is not off, sir.
The recording.